Hi everyone, and welcome to this introductory course on Google Apps Script. I'm sure that all of us have worked on Google Sheets at some point, and even if the bulk of our work happens on Microsoft Excel, there is definitely a use case for Google Sheets in organizations because of the simplicity and the fact that it is integrated so well with other Google applications. This course is about Google Apps Script, and the one line takeaway for all of you is that it is a development platform that makes it easier for you to work with Google Sheets. Now, that can refer to automation, that can refer to integration with other applications, or maybe that can refer to a complete development platform that is at your disposal. The best way to get an overview is to go to developers.google.com and then go to the app script page. And Google has tried its very best to give you a very broad idea of what it is, and there are many different examples that it has given as well. But this has really been created for developers in the sense that even though step by step instructions have been given, if you come from a non coding background, it might be a little daunting for you. And this is what the course is about. I'm assuming here that most of you come from a zero coding background, or maybe a very old and a very limited coding background, and we still want to use the power of coding on Google Sheets. So Google Apps works on JavaScript, and obviously it has built-in libraries which connect to different Google Workspace applications. So a lot of integration possibilities are there. Now, obviously, if you come from a background where you already know how JavaScript works, it will help you immensely. But then, uh, over the course of the next few lectures, we will also do some fundamental JavaScript codes and we will see how JavaScript works. Do keep in mind that this course is not going to teach you JavaScript in its entirety. And if you want to learn JavaScript separately, make sure to do a separate course.